Example 6, solve the system of linear inequalities and give one example of a solution and one example of a non-solution. Okay, so since both of these inequalities are already in slope-intercept form, I just have to know what my slope is and what my y-intercept is. So my slope is -4/5 and my y-intercept is -4. So I start my graph at -4 and then go down 4 to the right 5. And then to extend it, I go left. Okay, and then since my inequality symbol here is less than, the solution is not part of the line. So it's just a dash line. Alright, and then I'm going to figure out which way I shade. So I'm plugging in 0, 0 here. So I'm plugging in the origin. Either I shade above the line or below it. So if 0 is less than -4/5 times 0 minus 4. Anything times 0 is 0. So if 0 is less than -4. And this isn't true. 0 is not less than -4. So I have to shade everything that's below the line. That doesn't include that origin. Okay, do the same thing with the second equation. I have to figure out the slope since it's already in slope-intercept form. The slope is -14/5 and the y-intercept is 6. So I start my graph at +6 and then go down 14 to the right 5. Okay, so since the inequality symbol is less than or equal to, that the answer is part of the solution, or the line is part of the solution, so it is a solid line. And then I have to figure out which way I shade. So plug in the 0, 0 point. So if 0 is less than or equal to -14/5 times 0 plus 6. So -14/5 times 0 is just 0. So if 0 is less than or equal to 6, and that is true, 0 is less than or equal to 6. So I'm shading the 0, 0 point, and so everything to the left of the blue line. Alright, and my solution to this system of inequalities is this green area, including the blue line, part of the blue line down here. So for example, a solution could be 1, -10. Or like this point on the line right here could be a solution. And then a non-solution is everything that's yellow, white, or blue. So for example, the point right here. So like 6, -2 is not a solution.